Hello friends, our class 2 kids made a science project on the bird with the nest. So here from Rafinur, parrot. From Rehan also, it's parrot. What is this, Rehan?
This is the EBS project house nest.
Which house? Whose house?
Bird house.
Yes.
Very good. दिखाओ अच्छे से बन के.
Okay. Very good. This is the handmade clay science project of bird nest.
सीधा करो. ये होइसे रहना इतना छोटा छोटा मेरा इतना
All handmade with a clay.
This is from Jasper.
And this is one more from Jasper. He did not come. He is absent today. And our EVS Miss, she is the invigilator. Okay.